Hello my dear students, teachers, colleagues. Welcome to Vijay tutorial. Today again we are going to do one more exercise based on verbs and as I've told you already that grammar is easy but we need consistent practice in this, right? It is 10 o'clock. The sun shines brightly. So whenever any activity is going on at the time of speaking, then we feel present continuous. So the sun is shining brightly. I've already told you the rule earlier. So whenever any word ends with E, then and you have to write the ing form of that word, then you have to remove E and add ing. The farmers work in their fields for 4 hours. So whenever there is for or since in the sentence, then you have to use present perfect continuous. So if the sentence has since or for, or you can say that any activity which began in the past and it is still going on, then we use present perfect continuous. So the farmers have been working. The farmers have been working. In their fields for 4 hours. It means the farmers started the work 4 hours earlier and still they are working in their field. So any activity which started few months, few days, few years earlier and it is still going on, then in that case you have to use present perfect continuous. They usually start their work at sunrise. Now I have already told you that if there is usually word in the sentence, in the paragraph, then we use present indefinite. It shows habit. Here they are telling the habit of these farmers that they begin their work at sunrise. So they usually start. As a subject is plural, so we'll not use S or ES in this, and we're telling about the habit of the farmers that they usually generally begins their work at sunrise. Some of them already take their breakfast. Now we're talking about the breakfast. So some of them have already taken. Why so? So in the sentence, if already word is there, or in the paragraph, if already word is there, you should fill present perfect. So we are saying that some of the farmers have already eaten their breakfast. Some of them are still working over there. Others are doing so now. So the word now indicates present continuous tense. The word now indicates present continuous tense. So others are doing. So now means some farmers have eaten their breakfast, taken their breakfast, and some of them are eating the breakfast now. They feed their oxen before they sit down for their own meal. So in this particular sentence, there are 2 clauses, right? They feed their oxen. One clause is this, and they sit down for their own meals. This is the other clause. So whenever there are 2 clauses and one activity is finished before the other, then in this case we use present perfect and present indefinite. How? So what they did? So first of all they fed their cows and then they sat down to eat their own meals. So we will write like this. They have fed. They have fed their oxen before they sit down for their own meals. So what we are saying, when they sit down to have their meals, before that they already fed their oxen. So, oxen word is the plural of ox, and fed is the third form of feed, fed, fed. So, grammar is easy, but for those students, those who practice it daily, and it's interesting also. So, if you subscribe the channel, we'll do these kind of exercises based on many grammatical topics, and definitely the day is not far when you all will realize that yeah, Vijay ma'am was right and really grammar is easy. We just need practice. God bless you all.